Today I'm going to show you how to perform a customized installation of Python in our machine. To do that, open up a browser and in the search box type on Python and hit enter. In this screen you would be selecting the first option, downloads. So in this page they are asking which operating system are we using. As I'm using a Windows machine, I'm selecting a Windows. In this page, just scroll down a little bit. I'm selecting Windows Installer 64-bit. Once the downloads completes, on the top right hand side, you would see a pop-up there. I'm selecting that to install. In this page, we have two options. One is like install now. Another one is like a customized installation. So I'm going to perform a customized installation because whoever logs into my computer, I want them to access the Python program. So that's why I'm selecting customize installation. Put a check mark in the option called add python.exe to the path and click on customize installation. These are all the default settings. Don't make any changes to it. Just click on next. In this page, you will see still it says the application get installed in the user profile. I don't want that to happen. I would like to get installed in C program files. So in order to change that, what I'm going to do is I'm selecting install Python 3.14 for all users. I'm going to put a check mark on it. The installation path is got updated now. It got changed. So right now the Python is get installed in C program files Python 3.14 and I'm selecting install. So the installation was successful. I'm selecting close now. In order to validate the successful installation, just click on magnifying icon on your start menu and type in cmd to open a command prompt. In the command prompt, type in the command Python, leave a space, --version and hit enter. It will display which version is got installed. If you're not getting this information, it means that the Python environment variable path is not included. That's why you're not getting it. If you're not getting this information, don't worry, just close this command prompt and go to the same magnifying glass and type in env and you have to select edit system environment variable. In this screen, select environment variable. So you would get this page. In this page, you have to select the second option, path. Here, you could see that the path is already there. If it is not there, you have to click on new and enter the path and click OK so that the Python works fine without any issues. Thanks for watching.